General Liability Insurance Program for contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, and service providers of the hydrocarbons sector. This is an insurance plan aimed at providing companies operating under hydrocarbons exploration and extraction contracts with efficient management of the issuance of general liability insurance policies for contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, and service providers. For oil operators, it represents a significant advantage, given that, according to the General Administrative Provisions for Insurance published by the Environmental, Energy and Security Agency, ASEA, companies dedicated to hydrocarbons exploration and extraction activities are compelled to demand that their contractors acquire liability insurance policies with the necessary coverage and sums insured for the damages that they could cause to third parties or the environment during the performance of their activities. These provisions also give the operator the option to integrate their contractors and suppliers into their own policy. However, this may affect the loss ratio and consequently increase the reinstatement or renewal premium and make it difficult to subscribe future policies. In any case, the oil operator must always keep in mind that, according to the provisions, he is responsible at all times for the damages caused by himself or by any contractor, subcontractor, or third party hired to operate within their contractual area. Therefore, it is very important to have the support of a specific program that will give the oil operator the following benefits: the certainty that your suppliers and contractors will have insurance issued by an institution authorized to operate in Mexico with the necessary coverages and sums insured to protect their liability. Not having to absorb the economic impact for damages that could be caused by the contractors or suppliers, which in turn will not affect the loss ratio of their policy. Managing and reducing the risks of the operator. The general liability insurance provides wide coverage, which includes the damages that contractors, suppliers, and service providers could cause to third parties through their activities, such as equipment usage, loading and unloading, welding, shoring, demolition, and others. Likewise, this insurance covers the properties owned by the operator where the activities are carried out. This also includes underground facilities and those properties which are leased or legally owned by the insured. In the event that the contractor or supplier should cause damages to an adjacent property of the operator different from the one where he was hired to carry out the project, he will be covered by cross-liability. There are other coverages that can be insured based on a case-by-case analysis, such as general liability insurance for independent contractors. This covers the insured when, being the owner of the sites under construction, he performs tasks such as inspection, advance control, or construction delivery. A similar type of coverage is contractual general liability, where the insured assumes liabilities through an agreement or contract and agrees to replace the original insured party for the restitution or compensation of damages caused. One of the most important coverages in the hydrocarbons sector is sudden and accidental pollution resulting from emissions, discharges, or spills that occur abruptly, without warning, accidentally, abnormally, and unexpectedly, occurring as an isolated event. Lastly, legal expenses incurred as a result of claims against the insured are covered within the policy limit. Some of the onshore and offshore activities covered are maintenance, repair, and calibration of mechanical, electromechanical, and electrical equipment, supervision and surveys of operation fields, preventive and corrective maintenance of compressor interconnection systems with power plants, maintenance, repair, and refurbishment of dry docks, maintenance of wellheads, maintenance and installation of accessories for oil well valves, fire protection installation, storage tank cleaning and maintenance services, maintenance of water treatment plants. Advantages. The program allows for fast and timely issuance of insurance policies, as they can be quoted and issued the same day. Furthermore, since the premium must be paid in cash, the policy coverage is certain. It has a unique benefit, which provides retroactive coverage for up to 45 days. The management of insurance policies of contracts between the operator and his suppliers and contractors is greatly simplified. Program operation. Every time the operator signs a contract with a contractor, a supplier, or a service provider, he must notify Energy Broker. The contractor, supplier, or service provider will send a copy of the contract and request the insurance policy. Energy broker will request any additional documentation needed to issue the policy. Energy broker will issue reports to the operator regarding the subscribed policies and modifications and/or renewals. At Energy Broker, we have the experience and a team of professional insurance experts to give oil operators, their contractors, and suppliers all the support they need to acquire their general liability insurance policies. In a risk industry, we are your solution.